How you doing? Is everything fine?
Yes.
Great. Guys, you look like you've had a good breakfast today, haven't you?
Yes.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes.
What did you eat?
I ate cheese and tea.
Good job, Ziwa. Well, guys, did you all have breakfast today?
Yes.
Great. So I'll see it in your family feedback form later. Okay. Today, can you guess what we will be talking about?
Yes.
Well, let me tell you. Today, we're going to talk about something absolutely dangerous and harmful, as it can harm us in many different ways. Do you know what is this?
Yes.
Well, this is plastic. This is a plastic bottle. We're using this plastic item every day carelessly. Then where do you think they will be taken to? Yara?
They'll be taken to the seashores.
Well, yes, and happily. They're almost taken to the seashores. Guys, let me tell you something which really shocks you. The amount of solid plastic waste produced since 1950s, which has not been burnt or recycled, is around 4.9 billion tons, while much of it has ended up in the landfill all around the world. And far too much of it has found its way into the natural environment, with around 10 more million tons ending up in the oceans. Then there will be serious dangers to the marine animals. Do you guys know what marine animals are?
Yes.
Okay. Barry?
Yes, I know. They are sea animals.
This is so true. Good job. The marine animals are those animals which are living in the water, like fish, starfish, turtles, and even seabirds. Guys, listen. The amounts I just mentioned are actually huge numbers. But why is it like that? Well, it's because over half of all plastic all around the world is used just once. They're called single-use plastic items. And now let me ask you something really strange. Do you guys know how many years only one plastic bottle takes to decompose and break down?
Yes.
Dina?
Maybe 10 years?
What? Only 10 years? No, this is far away from the real number. Only one plastic bottle takes 450 years to decompose and break down. Guys, look what I have prepared for you. I have collected so many plastic bottle caps and put those letters on them. I thought of reusing those caps so that we can make some related vocabularies. First, I collected them, then I washed them very nicely. Then I put the letters on them. And now it's time to play a game. Do you like it?
Yes.
Well, the game is called word making. Now get ready to play the game, and I will be the first one to make the first word. And now it's your turn. You have to make the rest of the words just like I did. Who likes to come? Did you like the game?
Yes!
Fantastic! So from now on, let's all decide to use the least plastic that we can. And even when we used it, let's think of reusing it for something different.